We understand that buying a new roof can be frustrating, which is why our team of roofing experts works diligently to provide swift and high-quality service. First, our project manager will conduct an inspection of your roof, providing a detailed report of their findings. They will then share a link with you, allowing you to view the photos at your convenience. During the installation, an on-site project manager will be present to oversee the process, ensuring a seamless installation. In the event of any roofing emergencies, rest assured that we will respond quickly to repair your roof, regardless of the season or the cause.